Hello, this is Muhammad Ali, and this is quiz. This is CSC 110 quiz 8. This is the first question. So basically, I start with importing ice key lowercase as LC. And ice key uppercase as UC. And so import it from the string module. And then it's asking us to write a function value of letter, which I have the value of letter here, which makes a letter, which takes a letter, the letter, and which returns a value of letter. So it returns the value of the letter itself. So let's start with taking the letter and making it lowercase here, and just set it to LRT equals letter lowercase, and then we try to find the index of the LRT. So basically finding the LRT lowercase using the find method here. So yeah, we keep going here for this boolean. If index is between 0 to 12, the value would be 0 to 12. Else the value will be 25 subtracted from the index itself. So that will kind of reverse the process where it's here it goes from 0 to 12, and then when we do this subtraction here, 25 index will start from 12 and goes down to 0 again. And then we return the value. Okay, so from there, I have this print statement which has the index right here, the LC, UC, and the value, and it's kind of the parameter here. I have this for loop of the letter in the LC. And I have also assigned UC to letter uppercase, so it could be included to print it here. And then we print letter or UC, so this is basically this uppercase here, and then the value of the letter itself. And then if I go ahead and print that, let's see, just run it. Actually, let's go ahead and run it. You can see the LC, it's set for the lowercase, use capitals, the uppercase letters, and the value starts 0 all the way to 12, and then, we do the subtraction in 25, it just starts from 12, and it goes downward all the way to 0. Alright, I think that's about it. Well, thank you so much, and have a great day.